I'm Mara Ammons. I'm here at SiteOne Landscape Supply to talk about low maintenance options for your landscape. Low maintenance plants in landscape design is now an expectation rather than a preference by commercial and residential customers alike. Low maintenance plants are really important these days, especially with water restrictions becoming the norm. Make sure that you choose plants that are tough and resilient. So consider using stonecrop, aka sedums. They come in tall, blooming forms that attract bees and butterflies in the fall, as well as these sprawling, creeping types that are a great ground cover. They actually store their water in their leaves. Herbs are a highly valued option. They've been cultivated for culinary use and medicinal remedies for centuries. Choose blooming varieties that are drought tolerant, like this salvia, that also endure the heat and actually prefer it. So consider using yucca. It has deep tap roots that can reach the cool, damp earth when the surface is dry. Remember to plant these drought tolerant varieties in the fall or the spring when the water is plentiful. This will give these plants a chance to build up their reserves for when water is scarce later. So check out SiteOne.com to find out where your closest nursery branch is. Use the app to find availability in your area as well as nearby locations. And make sure that you enjoy these beauties all season long.